Now, those among you who've got a new Windows machine, like this one in my case where I have the Lenovo U4170 with me, which came with Windows 8.1 with a free upgrade to Windows 10. You guys are in all likelihood to be looking around for Windows Movie Maker because it's not easily there. Now let me prove my point to you. I go to the start button, so to say, and there if I search for Windows Movie Maker, you are unlikely to find it. Even if I go to all apps and then I go through the menu, I don't find it. Let's go down to Windows. Yep, you've got Windows accessories, you've got Windows administrative tools, ease of access, feedback, media player, PowerShell, system, and Word 2016. But you don't have Windows Movie Maker. Now, does that mean Windows Movie Maker is not available on Windows 10? Not really. Just to explain, it's essentially the fact that Windows Movie Maker is a part of Windows Essentials, and Windows Essentials as such, when you do a clean installation of Windows 10 on a new machine, is not available. And let's see if going to the store solves the problem. So let's go to store, and you have the browser opening up for the store, and then there's the search option there as well, and some picks for you, that's what they say. And you've got some more options there. Let's see there. You've got Perfect 365, Shadow Fight 2, Clock, 3D Chess Game, VLC for Windows Store, etc. Anyway, let's go to search and let's type in Windows Movie Maker and search in apps. Your search for Windows Movie Maker had no results. Ensure words are spelled correctly, try rephrasing, try less specific keywords. So the bottom line is that even going to the store essentially does not solve the problem. And yet, let me assure you, Windows Movie Maker is available. So let's check out that option. Now what I did is simply typed in Movie Maker Windows 10 into Google. And then the first result which I get is from Windows, that is from Microsoft, and they say where is Movie Maker in Windows 10. The second link is Movie Maker Microsoft Windows. So then here you go, Movie Maker Microsoft Windows. So all you need to do is essentially click there, and here you've got your very own movie studio. This page of windows.microsoft.com Windows/English Windows Movie Maker. So there you've got. So this is how you get to Movie Maker, and here you can see what I said. It confirms what I said. Windows Movie Maker 12 is included in Windows Essentials 2012. So download now. So let's go and do that. So there you go. It's got downloaded already, and let's go to setup and let's see what happens. Here you go. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC? Windows Essentials, Microsoft Corporation. Yes, I do. The next screen that appears essentially asks you what do you want to install. So you can you have two options: install all of Windows Essentials, recommended. Choose the programs. Windows Essentials includes Messenger, Photo Gallery, Movie Maker, Mail, Writer, Microsoft OneDrive, and Outlook Connector Pack. Now of these, some I do have installed. So let's see. I'll still go ahead and install all of Windows Essentials as they recommend that. So let's see what happens, because I have a feeling that there will be no redundant installation, and it'll probably detect the fact that there are some installations already in place, and it'll probably override others. So let's see how it goes. Once Windows Essentials is installed, this is the screen that the pop-up which appears, which says done. Windows Essentials is installed. To start using Windows Essentials, click close. So let me go ahead and click close. And now as I explored the start menu, The first thing, just as I click on it, I can see that recently added Movie Maker. So Movie Maker is well and truly installed on my system now. Let me click on it and just see the interface of this particular version of Windows Movie Maker. Let's see if it's any different, any advanced, maybe superior to what we've seen before. Here you see Windows Essentials 2012 Microsoft Services Agreement. Thank you for choosing Microsoft. Let me accept that. Now there you go, that's the complete interface of Windows Movie Maker. At a glance, it's not very different from what we've seen previously. So it essentially looks more or less the same as what we've been used to. This is the first screen which appears once Windows Movie Maker has loaded. So there you can see My Movie Maker. The menu options include File, Home, Animations, Visual Effects, Project and View. Under File, you've got all of these options: add videos and photos, webcam video, snapshot, title, credits, etc. You've got auto movie themes, rotate left, right, remove, and then publish to OneDrive, Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, and many others. And let's see, under Home, these are the options under Home. Under Animations, you've got all of these, and under File, you can go on to do all this. So essentially it's more or less the same. It's not like there's a huge difference per se. Visual Effects, Project and View. Let's see. So more or less the same. So there you have it, Movie Maker on Windows 12. It is there. Essentially all you need to do is just search for Windows Essentials or Windows Movie Maker. You can do that on Google. You can do it on Bing. If you do it on Google, Microsoft's own browser, the latest one, and there too you will find that you'll essentially easily be able to. This is Microsoft's browser, the latest version, and then I just searched for Windows Essentials on that, and I in fact did a Bing search, and there you can see Windows Essentials Microsoft Windows, Windows Essentials Download, Windows Essentials Wikipedia. So all of the options are there, and once you have Windows Essentials on your system, you'll have your Movie Maker there as well. Cheers.